Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Motorsports. Right next to me we have a 1980s Pontiac Firebird. This is another retro piece we have, so please be sure to like and subscribe below. Back to this car at hand, extremely clean. I'd rate the paint an 8 out of 10. That bronze finish with the triple cut down. So you've got bronze, gold, brown, dark brown, and then an extremely dark brown right here. It just looks amazing. These are the colors that are coming back into style right now. That front fascia has your Formula emblem right here, and then you have your signature quad headlights. This car has a pretty interesting history. So we purchased it in Colorado with a host of other cars. We bought it from an individual that had the motor rebuilt and the transmission rebuilt, and it's highly detailed. It has cold air condition. We didn't even get this car back, and someone saw it on our Instagram and bought it. And he's a good customer of ours. And then he went crazy and started to do little detail work. And we posted up a Grand National. He goes, you know what? I want that Grand National. So we've got it back, extremely detailed, completely gone through, brand new shocks. The tires have 90% tread, and everything that you would worry about if you're gonna drive this thing has been taken care of. We're gonna start off with the front fascia of this 80 Firebird. Extremely clean. They have the rubber front end, so you're gonna have, it is an 8 out of 10, but there are some spider cracks going on here. I just want you to see them right here and then also on that corner. And that's because this bumper will flex. And over time, the paint doesn't want to flex and it'll crack. I'm going to open up the hood and show you the 301. So it's powered by V8 and it has many options. So under the hood, it's extremely detailed. You have power brakes, air conditioning, so that's your brand new compressor that was installed by the prior owner. Everything is very detailed, and you've got your Rochester or your Quadrajet carburetor. These are great. They deliver power smoothly. This one doesn't hesitate, you just turn the key and it starts up. Also, it has a billet alternator bracket and new belts, new hoses as well. And also it has an Optima battery, which looks to be, yep, brand new. It's pretty clean, huh? What's neat about it is if you start it up, listen to how quiet it is. It is hot. So I was talking about how quiet the motor is. Starts right up. You can come over here. Really smooth, no knocking, no hesitation. And then come to the rear. Hey Mario, can you rev it for us with the throttle? Listen to how good it sounds. So this has brand new exhaust on it. Pretty beefy. Let's get back to the walk around. So front driver's side fender looks great. Your emblems are in great condition. They're not tarnishing. And then all of your decal package is in really nice shape. It's all even as well. Your mirrors are in great shape. There's no cracking. And the bright work does show a little bit of wear, but nothing to be alarmed about. You could probably polish that. You're also seeing a dash mat. That's just for protection. Underneath it, extremely clean and solid. It actually looks like it's been replaced with a cover that goes over the whole entire piece. Door cards are in excellent condition. You still have your original stickers here, and the rubberettes are in place. As you look inside, you're going to see that the steering wheel is in very nice condition, and then it does have a set of aftermarket mats. But look at the pedals. Look at how nice the pedals are. No wear. And then the dash, all of the swirls on the dash, so that's like a signature piece for Pontiac. No imperfections. I'm also going to include the steering wheel cover. Thank you, John. Closes easily. Small little mark right here. Your emblems look great, and then look at the roof line. There's no cracking, there's no Bondo, no separation, and it's extremely vibrant. Trim piece has been painted black, and that looks great. It has speakers added to the rear. These are not cut into the rear liner. You still have your, I believe those are 6x9s, and then 6-inch little drivers right there. It sounds really nice. Aftermarket stereo, which was just installed. And then let me grab the key so I can open the trunk. The sticker for the spare tire is still in place. The quarters look great. No rust, no rot, and underneath it looks amazing as well. So let's get over here, and I want you to kind of get down there and look. You've got the brand new tips, sway bar is in great shape, and there are brand new shocks on all four corners. This is so cool, watch. Got your gas cap right here, and then for your trunk, just pop it. Extremely clean, no rust, light still works. And you've got your trunk, or I'm sorry, your jacking instructions right here, and all the rubber looks very nice and it's supple. Trunk looks good as well, nice and solid. Let's go down the passenger side. Passenger quarter looks great. The tips, the exhaust tips are even, and all of your side markers are in great shape as well. The wheels, I love the way that they're painted. Like matches, it's close to body color, and when you look at it in pictures, it's just unbelievable. This door looks the same, no rust. And then when you look at the passenger side seat, you're gonna see it looks just like the driver's side seat. You've got a glove box there that works as it should, and by the way, the AC is ice cold, and I can't wait to get in there to use it. Let's go ahead and go for a ride. We're gonna go ahead and start it up. Starts up like that every time, nice idle. Oil pressure's at about 55 pounds, and it's cold still. Your RPMs work, and so does the clock. That's pretty cool. It sounds so good. You got your window wipers, and they work as they should. You also have your fuel gauge, and then your voltage meter. You have an aftermarket stereo here, which actually sounds really nice. We're gonna keep that off for the drive. And then the best part about this car, since it's 98 degrees today, air conditioned. So let's go ahead and close this door, put it in gear, and go for a ride. Okay, so we've got our turn signal on right now. I'm gonna go down Ravenswood. We're gonna drive it normally. The suspension feels really nice in this car. It's responsive too, so you could turn the wheel and you do feel activity back and forth. There's no noises from this rear end, just so you know. AC is nice and cold. I've always wondered what this is, so if anybody knows what this is online, what is that? It lights up, and then you click it and it turns off. Is that the rear defrost, maybe? I'm not sure. Center console looks really nice as well, and it's clean inside. And we're about to go over some bumps here, so you'll be able to see how nice and soft the suspension is. Not bad. We're gonna go ahead and turn right at the blue sign, and then I'm gonna do a dead stop roll so you can see how it performs. You're gonna get all the manuals for the aftermarket radio and speakers, along with the antenna. So there's an aftermarket antenna right here. Turn right here, we'll slow down completely, and you'll be able to hear this thing roar. Are you ready to see the 301 go? Oh! Not bad. That was to 60 miles an hour, and we still have cold air coming in here. That's real nice. Sounds good too. We're gonna turn around, we'll get some outside shots, and you guys can make your decision on if this 1980 Pontiac Firebird is the right machine for you. We ship worldwide. Give us a call, 954-363-2261.